Chapter 6. Reflect on your values. 5 core values, that's what you need to identify and reflect on as you rebuild yourself. You're probably wondering, what exactly are these values? They are the principles that drive your behavior, influence your actions, and shape your personal identity. Think about it, when you face a pivotal decision, what do you consider? It's your values, isn't it? They're your inner compass, guiding you through the winding paths of life. They're your soul's anchor, holding you steady in the stormy seas of uncertainty. Now, you may ask, how do I discover these values? The answer is simple: reflection. Take a step back and observe your life. Look at your actions, your decisions, your highs, your lows. What are the recurring themes? What are the constants? These are your values. They could be anything from honesty to courage, compassion to perseverance, loyalty to creativity. Once you've identified your values, embrace them. They're your essence, your very being. Don't be ashamed of them, even if they seem different or unconventional. Remember, it's you we're talking about, unique, special you. There's no right or wrong here. Your values are a reflection of you, not society. Reflecting on your values isn't just about knowing who you are. It's about loving who you are and respecting who you could become. It's a journey of self-discovery, self-acceptance, and self-improvement. So, my friend, take that journey. Reflect. Discover. Love. Improve. Because you're worth it. Chapter 7. Set achievable goals. Now that you've identified and embraced your core values, it's time to use them as your foundation to set achievable goals. This isn't about setting grandiose, unattainable dreams. It's about building a realistic path forward, one that aligns with your values and leads you to a life you're proud of. Don't view goals as massive, intimidating mountains. Instead, see them as stepping stones on your path to personal growth. Break down your aspirations into manageable, achievable objectives. Remember, you're not in a race. The journey of self-improvement is a marathon, not a sprint, and every step forward is a victory worth celebrating. Setting achievable goals is about balance. Aim high, but stay grounded. Dream big, but remain practical. It's about understanding your limitations and working within them to push yourself further. You've got the potential to reach heights you've never dreamt of, but it starts with taking that first step. You might stumble, and that's okay. Failure isn't a sign of weakness, but a stepping stone to strength. Every misstep is a lesson learned, a tool to better equip you for your journey ahead. Be patient with yourself, but also be persistent. Keep your eyes on the prize, but don't forget to appreciate the journey. Remember, the path to self-improvement is paved with small, consistent steps. Each goal you achieve, no matter how small, is a milestone on your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Chapter 8. Practice self-care routines. Embracing self-care routines is a pivotal step in rebuilding yourself. It's not just about pampering yourself with a spa day or indulging in your favorite dessert. It's more profound and essential than that. Self-care is about nourishing your mind, body, and soul every single day. Think of yourself as a garden. You need sunlight, water, and nutrients to grow and flourish. Just as a garden needs daily care, you too need regular nurturing. Your body needs exercise, nutritious food, and rest. Your mind needs stimulation, peace, and clarity. Your soul needs love, joy, and purpose. That's what self-care is all about. Create a daily routine that caters to your needs. It could be as simple as a morning jog to boost your energy, or a quiet meditation session to clear your mind. You could read a book to feed your intellect, or listen to music to soothe your soul. The key is consistency. Make these activities a part of your everyday life. Remember, it's okay to prioritize yourself. In fact, it's necessary. You can't pour from an empty cup. You need to refill yourself first before you can give to others. So don't feel guilty about taking time for yourself. You're not being selfish, you're being wise. Self-care is an investment in yourself, and it pays dividends in terms of improved physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. It's a crucial component of self-rebuilding. So start today. Embrace self-care. Nourish yourself. You deserve it. Chapter 9: Foster meaningful relationships. While you're working on caring for yourself, it's also important to foster meaningful relationships with others. In the hustle of life, we often neglect the connections that make our journey worthwhile. So take a moment to reflect on the relationships in your life. Are they reflecting your journey of self-improvement? If not, it's time to reevaluate. Building strong relationships isn't about quantity, but the quality of connections you maintain. You don't need hundreds of friends on social media, but a few close bonds that truly understand and support you. It's about building bridges, not walls. Remember, it's okay to let go of relationships that drain you. It's not selfish, it's self-care. You're allowed to choose who gets to be a part of your life. Surround yourself with positivity, with people who inspire you, make you laugh, and help you when you fall. These are the connections that refuel your spirit and help you grow as an individual. Nurture these relationships. Engage in honest conversations. Share your dreams and fears. Listen and show empathy. It's these little things that strengthen the bond. Love and respect are two-way streets, so ensure you're giving as much as you're receiving. In the end, meaningful relationships enrich our lives and contribute profoundly to our journey of self-improvement. They help us see life from different perspectives, teaching us empathy, patience, and love. Remember, while you're rebuilding yourself, don't forget to build bridges with others. It's the connections we make that truly define us. Chapter 10: Unlock Your Creative Potential. Every single day holds a wealth of creative potential that's just waiting to be tapped into. You're a powerhouse of ideas, a generator of innovation, filled with the capacity to create something out of nothing. All you need to do is tap into it. Start by finding your passion. What makes your heart race? What ideas keep you awake at night? These are the things that will fuel your creative spirit. Once you've found your passion, don't let it sit idle. Use it. Nurture it. Let it drive your every action. Next, surround yourself with inspiration. It can be books, art, nature, people, or even silence. Creativity thrives in an environment that's rich with stimuli. Absorb everything around you. Let your senses soak it all in, and then let your imagination run wild. Remember, creativity isn't just about being artistic. It's about finding new ways to solve problems, seeing the world from a different perspective, and challenging the status quo. It's about breaking free from the constraints of conventional thinking and daring to explore the uncharted territories of your mind. Finally, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Creativity is a process of trial and error. Every failure is a stepping stone on your path to success. It's a lesson learned, a new insight gained. So embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and let them guide you towards your creative peak. Tapping into your creative potential is an exciting journey. Start today and discover a whole new world within you.